Okay, let me get the July Astro Excel forecast out. I'm a little bit late on this one. You know from the weekly that we're going to be pretty much range bound this week until Friday when we finally crack above the plus 10 line through the day Friday, and we peak out there right at the end of the session Friday afternoon. And we open up the week at a peak here on the 12th, and then we're going to get a sharp push down till we bottom out right here on the 13th at 2100. Then we get a move back up from the minus 20 line to the plus 20 line with a double top on the 16th and 17th at 6 a.m. there, where it starts to turn down. Goes back to the 0 line, gets an upward break here on the 19th, double topping back down into neutral territory on the 20th, pushing up to the 22nd, down to the 23rd, up to the 24th, 1800, down to where we bottom out here on the 26th, and then we're down between minus 10 and minus 20 all the way to the 30th, where we crack back up into neutral territory on the 30th and 31st. So there's the monthly bigger picture look at the Astro Excel roadmap. I'll be putting the blue line peaks and valleys in the weekly.